slotted every corner. I'm on 400 horsepower channel RT.
As your boys can see, we have 345 dropping back out and 345 germs, 101, 50th anniversary, Hellcat 1320, SRT 392, shaker, scatpack. And what we doing is, we're gonna be sliding every corner because if y'all did not watch Germ's videos, he blew the old differential and then he upgraded to that Hellcat 262 LSD, you feel me? So now the 345 gets sideways, y'all, and Germ was asleep, so what we went on ahead and did was we just snagged the keys, you feel me? So let me say that look. So we driving today, you feel me? And it is a little dirty, but it's okay because it's raining. So what we doing in today's video is sliding every corner in Germ's 400 horsepower Calendar RT. So make sure y'all boys give me a like because 345 driver just took his keys. You feel me? He gonna wake up, he gonna be real mad and shit, you know. So we gotta get this video up there, you feel me? So make sure y'all boys stay all the way to the end of today's video and make sure y'all watching all the way to the end and support your boy 345 driver, you feel me? So let's go ahead and get us out to 345. Let's go ahead and cut on Germ's lights, the stars. If y'all didn't know, I haven't been in Germ's car long enough to where he added stars, a new steering wheel. Germ added this, all this new stuff, y'all. Germ even got like new door stitching. I don't even know how. I don't even know how we did that, but let's go ahead and get y'all boys into today's nice video where we go ahead and start making our way towards the side streets we're gonna be hitting today. I'm gonna go ahead and teleport there, y'all. So let's go ahead and teleport in 3, 2, 1. We teleported. So as y'all can see, we is at our destination, man. So we about to go ahead, hop on the 345 routine, you feel me? And we're gonna go ahead and cut the traction off of y'all boys. So let's go ahead and get inside. Y'all boys look up real close. We got an SRT Rango and a cat right there in this neighborhood we was in, you feel me?
Oh, hold on. Record.
Oh, no.
What the fuck?
What the hell?
Yeah.
As the boys can see, 345 driver snatched the keys to the 345 mobile again. So now we got the 345 outside. And if y'all boys was updated on 345 Germ channel, he recently blew his old open diff, y'all. So he was down for a little bit. But what he went ahead and did was he swapped out his old diff with a Hellcat 262 LSD. So it's raining outside. It's not gonna lose that much thread. So we're gonna slide it a little bit for y'all boys in today's video. So make sure y'all boys give 345 driver a like because I snatched the keys and he gonna be mad if he loses a lot of thread and we don't get no type of views or likes on this video. But he got it built up to 400 horsepower. So this should be a cool little video for y'all boys. So let's go ahead and hop inside and cut the traction off and get a little busy for y'all boys. Hey, 3, 4. Whoa! Try that bitch again. Go.
Wait a minute.
God, this bitch.
That shit just feel. As y'all can see, 345 germs tires is not sliding for us, and we still got some thread, but I think it's the pavement that we working with, y'all. It's not sliding how we want it to slide, so we might look a little shaky right now, but let's go ahead and spawn into a new lot so we can slide there for y'all boys. 3, 2, 1.
Girl, you wanna fuck because we riding in the scat. After we get her to the pad, you might not